contrast-deck iVaster thermal alert camera, built for perimeter defense and critical infrastructure protection. Fast install, 24/7 perimeter protection. Mount bracket correctly, tighten diagonally. Connect power, UART, and video cables securely. Avoid bending FPC cable. Lock expansion board. Attach outputs if needed. One-click autofocus. The lens adjusts automatically. Instantly switch between white hot, black hot, or color palettes for different scenes. This camera is designed for borders, substations, airports, and critical zones.